What is that? Ugh. He's genuinely being ripped apart in there, dude. Oh my gosh. What's up, YouTube? KillCon here, back at it again. My loud freaking PC, but I'm sorry about that. But, as you may have noticed, it's morning time. Well, it's daytime, exactly. It's 3:37 p.m. right now, actually. I'm gonna be recording a couple of videos because I have somewhere to go this weekend. Thanks to my good buddy Corello. But, you know, whatever. Nevertheless, I gotta upload these videos, so by the time you're seeing this, or by the time I've uploaded this, I may be leaving for my flight by the time you guys see this. But yeah, I'm just gonna be recording like quite a few videos, editing those and scheduling them for like each day that I'm gone for the rest of the week. So stay tuned for those, bro. I'll be dropping those pretty soon. Like I say like around like 5 or 6 p.m. every day until I get back. But yeah, nevertheless, welcome back. It's good to see you all. Toy Merch again. We're gonna stop mentioning it at the start of every video, but nevertheless, I got y'all with a mean FNAF VHS reaction. I'm gonna be reacting to 2 each video. It's gonna be probably FNAF, Backrooms, and maybe another Backrooms, another FNAF, depending on how I'm feeling, bro. One of the 2. There's something horror related. That's really all I'm trying to get down to. Maybe something different. I don't know. But nevertheless, welcome back. Here we go. This one's a Chica based reaction, so I'm actually kind of hyped about this one. I heard very interesting things about this one, so we're about to see. Ooh, see, this is already looking rough, bro. See, it's not as scary because it's morning time, but oh, I've seen this. Oh my gosh. I underestimate how fucking tall these animatronics are, bro. Oh my goodness.
Baby bird. No, Chica, you're scaring me.
Goosebumps. Instant goosebumps. Instant goosebumps. Instant goosebumps. I have goosebumps all over my body right now. Holy.
Okay, my sensors have been replaced for both left and right ears. The newer ones can handle much higher frequencies, perfect for performing animatronics such as these. Wouldn't want one of them shutting down just because the music was too loud. Can't imagine what could have been so loud to blow out the sensors. Anyways, I'll be back to upgrade the others. For now, just play the sound response manual and everything should be A-okay.
He's gonna die, bro. That ugly ass bird, bro. Why are we like taking this job? Like, look at her. Look at her, bro. Genuinely just take a look at her, bro. Oh my goodness. Was that just a kid? That was just a kid that flashed. I know I saw that. Oh my gosh. She is not looking left, bro. Look at that cupcake. Yo. He's looking dead at us. Yo. Oh my gosh. Bro. There's something wrong with that cupcake, bro. I'm telling you. It's looking dead at us, I swear. Goosebumps, bro. Every single time. Saw birds sitting in the snow. That's what bad dreams are about. I feel like I'm sleeping in snow and I can't get up. It's too cold for me to do that. Is this Lauren? Look at that cupcake, bro. Go! What the fuck was that? Bro, yo. Hold on, we have to run that back. We have to run that back. We have to run that back. What is that, bro? Like the mask is falling. I suck at the timings on this, bro. Hold on. It's a kid in there, bro. It's a kid in there. And I don't know how they make it so perfect. I'm assuming that little dialogue that they were doing, that I guess that was like Chica herself when she was a kid and they're like talking about it. I suppose. I don't know. But that was pretty good. That was a good one, bro. That was a good one. Respect. Ohio respect. Now, Mitch out with another one, bro. We got a Freddy one, bro. Okay, listen. Freddy was never... I don't know. Freddy was never that scary to me, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. Freddy was always just kind of like... I don't know, bro. He was just... I don't know, bro. But shout out to Battington, bro. That's who the person that made this video. Good video. You love to see them, bro. We're gonna see, oh my gosh, the same person made a Foxy one? Oh my gosh. Yo. Bro, these are interesting, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But, nevertheless, check out this... Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Check out this Freddy one, bro. It's called HELL.MP4. So I guess we're in for a good ride, bro. A really good ride. Oh my gosh. I'm sure no one on here is under 13.
There was once a man with a proud purple shirt until one day his reality was hurt. He lost all he had on that fateful day when his youngest son was taken away. As he lay in bed, his life slowly sleeping, he watched over him, eyes always weeping, as he took his last breath, his soul-breaking tender. He spoke with clenched hands. I will put you back together.
Whoa. What the fuck is happening? Is this Golden Freddy, not regular Freddy? Yo. What is happening right now? Whoa. Whoa. From the spring locks. Oh. We're not talking about him. Jeremy was in pain. Bro, I gotta get caught up on the FNAF lore, bro. I'm gonna be honest, because unfortunately, I'm not the biggest FNAF lore geek. I'm gonna be honest. I really need to get into that. Because it's like... Okay, we're a slight tangent here, bro. It's so difficult, like, getting into the FNAF lore because there's so much going on in so many different games. Like, prime example being the books. You have the books, and then you have the games, and then you have Security Breach, and then you have Secret of the Mimic. Where does all of this tie into? And then you have 2 movies that you have to watch as well. And it's like, do those even count into the main lore of the story? I don't know. I watched both movies. I was a little confused. But, like, I guess it kind of, like, hits up on the regular story. But, like, it still is, like, I don't know. It doesn't make much sense to me. It's, like, I don't know. I never caught it, bro. I never really caught that. Like, the full FNAF lore. And then... Like, I don't know, I know the basics. I guess I know the basics, but other than that, it seems like it got really convoluted and interesting. I still have to watch a MatPat video on that, but like, dude, FNAF lore looks freaking ridiculous, bro. Spring trap. Holy. Yo, he really dyed inside that suit, bro. So bad, bro. Those freaking spring locks genuinely just tore him limb from limb. I lied, this is not a Freddy video. This is a, I guess it's a William Afton video, bro. William Afton.
Breaking news. In a developing story, the popular children's pizzeria known as Freddy Fazbear's Pizza has been in the center of yet another tragic incident. 20-year-old Jeremy Fitzgerald, a daytime security guard at the pizzeria, is in critical condition, victim of an attack from one of the restaurant's animatronic mascots. Several eyewitnesses, including children, confirmed that the animatronic attacker in question is the Foxy, referred to by employees as the Mangle, for reasons currently unknown. 26-year-old Maxwell Smith, a customer at the restaurant, compares the incident to a predator attacking its prey, where the animatronic supposedly mauled Fitzgerald, causing severe injuries to his head. He is currently being rushed to the hospital where his injuries will be treated. While the employees are still trying to figure out what caused this malfunction, several patrons at the restaurant suspect that the incident is tied to the restaurant's dark history of ghost stories, stating that the robot entertainers come to life at night possessed by the children that went missing months prior. On a possibly related note, witnesses claim that the animatronic characters were acting strange that day. One of the employees describes, and I quote, "They interact with the kids just fine, but when they encounter an adult, they just stare." Stay tuned for updates on the situation. Nigel Lance, Hurricane News.
Y'all creeped out, bro. Officially creeped out. What is that? Ugh. He's genuinely being ripped apart in there, dude. Oh my gosh. That was not no accident, bro. But some accidents happen. William knew what he was doing, bro. He knew what he was doing, bro. He knew what he was doing the entire time, bro. But that'll be all for this episode. Don't worry. I got y'all with more videos coming up soon in the next 3-ish days. I got y'all with some videos. I'll be uploading daily, bro. I got y'all. Don't even worry, bro. But if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Well, y'all be seeing this. Whatever. I'll catch y'all tomorrow, bro. Love you guys.